for your YouTube channel.
Shh.
Oh. Shouldn't we say things aloud? Okay, good.
Hello peoples, my name is Campbell Gately, and today we are leaving to go camping in the Australian bush for 3 nights. So I'm just going to be filming that. So we've just got to our campsite, and now they're just setting up the caravan. We've got the kayaks there, and now I'm gonna help my brother sweep because we're camping all the way in this little bushy bit. Good job, Bran. So me and my brother, we just finished finally setting up our tent, and it's like kind of dark, but now we're gonna walk down to the river and just check it out. And okay, this isn't like a caravan park camping. Like people say they're going camping and they stay in like caravan parks, even though we're in a caravan this time. But this is like actual, like we're actually like in the bush. We're actually in the bush. There's a little stove there, but we're in the bush. Bush.
Oh, looks disgusting.
Yeah, it's not the nicest water. I hear a goat. Do you hear a goat?
I hear a cow.
I think it's a goat. Why would there be a wild cow?
Why would there be a wild goat?
Is there such thing as wild cows? Well, I don't know. There's like mountain goats. I think it's a goat. Brent, it's not going moo, it's going meh. Okay, let's just go back. Mum, where are we going today?
We're gonna go and try and find that ocean rock pool near Canal Rocks.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to like beaches and stuff. Because it's hot. So we've just come to this beach bit. I'm gonna try and walk down there. The weather might spot it, should be a 15-minute walk, so that's quite long, but let's go.
I hope it's not cold.
It probably will be.
Oh, Campbell's over.
No, I'm good. This looks so pretty. Doesn't it, Mum? That little walkway there? Oh, it smells like bird poo.
Pardon?
It smells like bird poo.
Whoa, that's nice.
See, these are the kind of walks I like.
Yeah, it does.
What'd you say?
Barley.
It's like barley.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, kind of. Come on, this way. Oh, see, look at that. Friend.
Just get my camera out.
It's so pretty. Oh, it looks so good. I feel like we've been here before, have we?
Yeah, it looks a bit similar to Canal Rocks.
What's Canal Rocks?
Thank you, Brendan.
Oh, and we've been over there. So why is this spot any different or special?
Because it's shallower and it's safer.
But I live for danger, that's my middle name.
You live for danger.
Well, I do like adventurous things.
Yeah, but you've got the courage of a pea.
No, I don't actually. Excuse me, you don't go swimming in the ocean at night time because you're scared of sharks?
No, you go swimming in the ocean because you're stupid at night.
No, because it's nice and fun.
Wow, look at that.
That's it, we're here. I'm gonna go for a swim and then I will be back. So we are back at the campsite. Oh jeez, we're back at the campsite and now we're going down to the river and swimming, and I'm just sitting in the back of the ute. Brandon's hanging off the side. I don't know if I can try and get that. Please. Oh no, he's hanging off the side, but I would be doing that, but I can't film at the same time, so. Just chilling back here with one of our kayaks. A yabby? Yeah. You wouldn't get eaten by a yabby. He just get bitten by one.
Oh, that's better.
Can you touch the bottom?
Hey, here. No.
I'm gonna go out.
Yoga pose.
Downward dog.
Downward dog.
Oh,
That
oh,
one.
oh. He's in.
Dog.
I have literally just woken up, so it's so awful. I don't even know if I've been in. But I didn't film yesterday because I just wanted to have a day where I didn't film. So now we're leaving today and we're just packing up. In the tent, Brandon's, I'm the last to get up again, like I have been the whole time. So I'm just gonna pack up my tent and then I'll see you in a second. This has been the worst pack up of my life.
Yeah, it has.
It's raining, or it was raining, so everything's wet. And so the tent's all got dirt all stuck to it, so we can't pack it up. We're gonna stuff it in the car and pack it up when we get home, but it's just so bad. Are we going to a berry farm today?
Berry farm, no. We're going to Dead Mare.
Dad, are we going to the berry farm?
No.
Oh, what?
What time?
What about the chocolate factory?
Nope.
Are you kidding? What?
We're going to Dead Mare.
Yeah, but who wants to go to the Dead Mare? I want to go to the berry farm. Change of plans. We're nearly packed up now and we are going to the berry farm, so I'm so happy. It's just because we get to taste jams and they taste really nice. And we might be having lunch there too, so yay. So we've left the campsite now and we're at the berry farm. Walking down. So we're having lunch here?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna taste the
Having lunch now. Oh, that pie looks nice.
Are we gonna taste the jams?
Yeah.
While we're waiting for our food to order, we're just gonna go taste the jams and stuff, which is my favourite thing. Where's the tastings?
Smells like jelly.
Ew, there's some green thing in it. Can't get enough. That's nice. We're done with we've had our lunch, we're done with the berry farm. So now, we're just on our way home. So, I'll see you at home, goodbye. We just got home, that's just reversing the caravan now, we're gonna start unpacking. So I'm just gonna end this video here. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs up anyway, because just be a nice person. And I'll see you next week, hopefully, because school starts tomorrow, so I'll be busy, but yeah, goodbye. I don't recommend sitting down and watching these videos.